Tired of trading your precious time for someone else's dream? What if I told you the fastest path to financial freedom isn't a job, but building your own empire right from your living room? For years, the idea of being your own boss felt like a distant fantasy, locked behind expensive offices and big investments. But today, the game has completely changed. In this video, we're not just going to talk about making a few extra bucks from home. We're diving deep into the proven strategies, the mindset shifts, and the practical steps you can take right now to truly own your income and build a life on your own terms. Stick around, because by the end, you'll have a clear roadmap to financial independence, no matter where you're starting from. Think about it. The alarm clock screams, you rush through traffic, sit in a cubicle, answering to someone else's demands. Doesn't it feel like you're constantly putting out fires for someone else's business rather than fueling your own? The dream of working in your pajamas, setting your own hours, and calling all the shots isn't just a fantasy anymore. It's a very real possibility for millions of people, and it can be for you too. But here's the challenge. The internet is a wild west of get-rich-quick promises and overwhelming information. You might be thinking, where do I even begin? I don't have a big budget or a fancy degree. I hear you. That feeling of being stuck at a crossroads, knowing you want more but not seeing a clear path, is common. It's like standing in front of a giant puzzle with no picture on the box. Many people get paralyzed by this uncertainty and never even start. They think they need to quit their job and go all in right away, which feels risky. But the truth is, you don't. The secret sauce isn't about having all the answers up front. It's about making a deliberate shift in your mindset and then taking consistent small steps. Forget the idea that you need to be an entrepreneur in the traditional sense, wearing a suit and pitching to investors. You just need to solve a problem for someone and charge for it. The beauty of the digital age is that almost any skill or passion can be turned into a profitable venture. Let's break down the practical blueprint. First, identify your superpower. What are you good at? What do people ask you for help with? Maybe you're a wizard with words, a whiz with numbers, or a natural at organizing. These are your starting points. Think about services like freelance writing, graphic design, virtual assistants, social media management, or even online tutoring. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or even LinkedIn can connect you directly with clients looking for your skills. You don't need a degree, you need results. Next, consider the product route. If you have a unique craft or an innovative idea, selling physical or digital products can be incredibly rewarding. Think Etsy for handmade goods, or creating and selling online courses, ebooks, or templates on platforms like Teachable or Gumroad. My friend Sarah loved planning parties for her kids. She started selling printable party kits online as a side hustle. Within 2 years, her small hobby replaced her full-time income because she tapped into a real need. The crucial ingredient here is consistency and learning. Start small. Dedicate a few hours a week. Learn a new skill through free online tutorials. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for progress. Your first client won't be your biggest, and your first product might not be a bestseller. But each small win builds momentum. Imagine, just 6 months from now, having a steady stream of income coming in, all from the comfort of your own home, on your own terms. That feeling of freedom and control over your life? That's what you're building towards. This isn't about luck, it's about deliberate action. It's about seeing problems as opportunities and understanding that every single person out there, including you, has valuable skills that others are willing to pay for. It's about ditching the fear of failure and embracing the journey of learning and growing. The biggest hurdle isn't capital, it's courage. The courage to start, to learn, and to keep going even when it feels tough. Because when you overcome that, the world truly becomes your oyster. So, are you ready to stop building someone else's dream and finally start building your own? The path to financial independence and becoming your own boss is right there, waiting for you to take the first step. If you're serious about taking that leap, click on the video popping up on your screen right now for the next essential step in your journey.